Hiya guys. So today we're going to take a look at the new ball joint and track rod end separator impact tool from Laser Tools. So first off, we remove our track rod end securing nut on here, like so. And traditionally, we would either use a ball joint fork or separator, or just impact the knuckle. These days, we don't want to be doing that because a lot of vehicles are fitted with ADAS systems and electronic power steering systems. We want to avoid impact down the steering rack in a sideways motion. Let's show you how the impact nut release tool works on this. First of all, we thread on our impact nut onto the thread of the track rod end like so. Within the kit, it comes with our drift, which locates into the bottom of the nut. We put that into our air hammer. Air hammer, chisel into the bottom of the impact nut, and so there we have it. The taper is now broken. We can now release our impact nut and take our track rod end away from the knuckle, so there's no damage on the track rod end or the steering knuckle.